intercepted by number 26. Alvin. No good, rebound by Cuevas. To Mark. 2 points. To Mark Makalini.
Victor to Jerwin. To number, no good, rebound by. Out of bounds. Score 2-0.
Kuya, wala ba ano dito yung pinakang gomas as?
To no good, rebound by Jerome. Good ball. Jerome. Rapas to Judelson, 2 points. Judelson with Yanis. 4-0, steal by Jackie. Steal by Justin. 2 points by Jasper. 4-2 in favor of TP. Out of bounds. Oras, 14 minutes exactly. Score 4-2. Jerome. Short jumper. 2 points. Jerome Damasco. 6-2. Victor. To Victor again. Out of bounds. Good ball. Chocolate. No good. Rebound by Judelson. To Mark. Mark. To Cuevas. To Vivan. 2 points. Cuevas. Score 8-2. 3 minutes and 17 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot. 2-0, no good. Rebound by Jerome. 13 minutes exactly. Score 8-2. Cuevas. To Judelson. To Chapley. Short jumper. No good. Rebound by Victor. Amado. Dribbling the ball. Amado pass to number 86. 86, no good. Rebound by Judelson. Now si Mark. Is steal by Justin. Short jumper, 2 points by Arwin. 8-4. Cuevas. Jerome taking 3. No good. Rebound by Amado. Victor. 12 minutes and 10 seconds. Now pass to number 86. 2 points. Number 86. Kapag foul lang po ang dead ball, kapag shoot, good ball po tayo. Good ball. Judelson to Jerome. Jerome, short jumper again. Jerome Damasco. Score 10-6. 4 na kalamangan ng Team B. 11 minutes and 40 seconds. Steal by Judelson. Drop pass to Jerome. Layup. No good. Rebound by Jasper. Justin rather. Foul by jersey number 20. Chocolate Coma. Oras, 11 minutes and 14 seconds. 10-6, good ball. Justin taking 3. Justin, 10-9. To Chocolate. Drop pass to back. No good pa rin. Rebound by Justin. To number 86, no good. Rebound by number 23. 82 number to Justin. Irwin, no good. Rebound by Chocolate lumipad. Foul. 10 minutes and 31 seconds. Score 10-9. 1-point lead by Team B.
Review, number 5. Irene lumipad. Review din na Amado. Amado, still number 5. Cuevas. Wow. Last possession before change. Kapag na-shoot or foul, third number, change na po. Mark, nag-increase number, rebound by Jerome. Intercepted by number 18. So, Amado, change score na po. Change score. Score 10-9 in favor of Team A. Lawan sa po. Good ball po yan. Jerome. Foul. No good, rebound by Irene. Irene rebound, 2 more. Irene, number 26. Cage table, 11-10. Foul. 11-10. Passing by Irene. 11-10. 11-10. Lamang ang Team B. Nila Victor Amado. 8 minutes and 48. Mark, to Cuevas, to Dedelson, walang ka rin, Dedelson pa rin, walang ka rin. Rebound by number 0, to Amado. Wow, foul by Jesse number. 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Score 11-10, lamang pa rin po ang Team B. Good ball. To number 0, making 3. No good, di po pari. Irene, awin pa rin. Isato, short upper. No good, Timabay. Dedelson. Kapag si Jackie. Dedelson. Istin Amado. 7 minutes, 53. Out of bounds. Good ball po yan, good ball. Live ball po tayo kapag nalabas or turnover. O lang po ang dead ball. Intercepted by Jackie. Short cover, 2 points. 14-11, 3-3. Back-to-back hits by Jackie Kama. No good, di ba by Jackie? Tignanes, taking 3. Dedelson, Tignanes. 16-11. Wow. Foul by Jesse number 20. 17-11. 5-3. Dito shutdown. Dedelson, Tignanes. Amado. Number 16. Number 18. Nobel, 3-5. Jerome, short number. 100 shot, Nobel. 3-by number 86. Amado, dribbling the ball. Is 3 by Jerome. Jerome, taking 3. Nobel, 3-by Cuevas. Cuevas, short number, 2 boys. Cuevas. 19-14, 5-14. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. So number 86 naman, tumingin ng Messi! Number 86, back-to-back 3 by Jasper. 19-17, 2-8. 2 boys, Mark Makaili. 21-17. Wow! Foul by number 20. 5 minutes and 49 seconds. 21-17. 4-point lead by Team A.
23, no good. Rebound by Arwin. Wow. 5 minutes and 23 seconds. 21-17. Lamang pa rin po ang Team A. Amado. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 3 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. Good ball. Rebound by Sally. Nakawin mo si Bart. Bart, tiniragan. Wala pa rin. Rebound by. Good ball. Labas muna. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Score 21-17. Alis ko sa kayo po ang bahala din sa loob. 13 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Step back three by Tangley. No moving by. Steal by number 0 to steal. 2. Irwin, 2 points. Irwin, number 26. 21-19. Wow. 21-19, 2-point lead by Team A. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Tingnan ang secondary na lang. Good shot. Tingnan it. 24-19. Locked by Didazor. Oras, 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 24-19. What a 3 by Jesse number 20. Good ball. Amado. To number 86. Back to back ulit kaya. To number 18. Foul. Foul by Jesse number 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Amado. Third number ni Amado. Wala pa rin dito by Jacqueline. To Didazor. Didazor. 2 boys. No two. 4 minutes and 58 seconds. 26 seconds. No two. 17 seconds dito, no good. Magka naman, pinatuloy naman. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Arwin. Arwin, short jumper. No good. Rebound by Amado. Block by Jackie. Amado ulit. 9 seconds to shoot. Lumipad. Si Arwin, wala pa rin. Rebound by Tingnanes. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Jackie. 4 versus 1. 2 boys, Cuevas. Amado, to number 86. Tingnan na naman press. Wala na. Iba ni Amado. May double to number 88. 2 boys. Last 2 minutes. 28-21. Wala na. Iba by the team. Arwin, wala pa rin. Wala Arwin na naman sa ilalim. 2 points. Arwin. 28-23. 5-point lead. Foul. Knockout. No basket. 1 minute and 33 seconds. Remaining on the clock. 28-21. Oh, labasan. Walang laman. Good ball, esports lang. Automatic ejected pagka kay nangyari. Block by Dudazor. Para block by Dudazor. To Cuevas. One minute and 1 second remaining on the clock. 28-21. Tingnan niyo sila tumingala ng test. Wala rin po by Arwin. Nauna na si Amado. Amado takes the block.
Black bike na naman. Black na naman. Liganis ganado. Score, 28-21. Una kami dito. Apat na kami, oh. Lakers dito namin, Lakers. Nabuti, pagdating na ako si Jerome. Jerome, all alone, 2 points. Jerome Damasco. 30-21. 24 seconds left. Nice steal by Team 8. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Wala ko sa mga Santos. 5 seconds to shoot. Santos, Luliman. 2 points. Santos. Tulos. 26 seconds. 2 points. 22 seconds. Shot na ko. Grabe Jackie. How? 15 seconds. No shot clock. Wala na po shot clock. 13 seconds to shoot. Wala na po shot clock. 10 seconds Amado. Shot clocker. 2 points. Victor Amado. 5 seconds. 2 points. 5 to 2, 1.